Would you like to know the cost of constructing a building in Delhi? Hello everyone, I am Amardeep from Saluja Contracts. In a recent meeting with a big brand school chain having 50 plus schools in all over India, we were discussing about the cost factor of a school building in Delhi. Have you ever wondered how much it costs to build in Delhi? Well, today we are going to get into the details of what exactly the cost of construction in and why the factor graph is going up and cost is shooting high. Before we get started, let me introduce myself to you. I am your travel guide through the terrains of construction expenses. Welcome to the construction capital of India. To understand the cost breakdown, we need to focus on three essential factors, that is location, labor and material. Let's talk about location first. The exact location of a building has a significant impact on its construction cost. Delhi being the capital city, it offers various choices like residential, commercial, industrial areas. Each has its unique pros and cons and the special tags they carry forward. When we talk about constructing in South Delhi or Central Delhi, the cost falls in higher brackets. And when we talk about East or West Delhi, there is certain reduction in the cost. These locations do have some good pockets, different pockets in between, but this is just for the discussion for your awareness. So now let's talk about labor. Skilled laborers are very crucial for constructing a building efficiently. So to ensure that structural integrity is intact, the cost of labor in Delhi varies depending on different type of projects, experience levels, the current wage rates they have. Due to different government schemes like Manrega, workers are getting good work in their villages. So the supply is short here. Moreover, rentals are high in the city, they are going up. So that also adds to the cost of the building. Lastly, let's talk about materials. High quality materials are essential for the strong and durable structures. The cost of material can vary depending on different type, quantity, quality required for the project. My personal request is not to compromise on any factors related to the building structure. If you want to reduce the cost, work on your interior finishes. For example, if you talk about flooring, if you have a budget, you can go for 500 rupees per square feet Indian marble, or you can go for 300 rupees Italian, or you can choose a good tile that comes around 70 to 80 rupees. They have a huge range. Now that we understand the key factors, let's get into some numbers also. According to the latest data in our experience, the average construction cost in Delhi can range between 2500 to 4500 rupees per square feet. For a typical residential building, if you talk about 1000 square feet area, you are looking to the range of around 25 lakhs to 45 lakhs. Remember, these figures can fluctuate based on their architectural designs, building permits, special features, especially the interiors. As I told you, they are like a deep well. You keep pouring in and they never get filled. So the next time you pass through a building, a construction site, so remember you have a better understanding of what it takes to build a space around us. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.